Place the robot vacuum upside down on a flat surface. Locate the brush frame release tab on the right side of the cleaning head and push on the tab. Remove the brushes. Remove debris from the ends of the brushes. Remove the gray brush bearings and clean around and under them. Clean the green shaft of each brush. Repeat this process for the second brush. Replace the bearings onto each brush. After cleaning, reinstall the brushes, making sure the bearings are in place. Secure the brushes by lowering the brush frame until it snaps into place.